Welcome to our detailed comparison of pictime and Pixieset, two leading platforms in the photography industry. Both offer photographers an online platform to share, sell, and deliver photos. But which is right for you? We'll compare them on key points to help you make an informed decision. Pictime offers a comprehensive set of features, including client galleries, online stores, marketing tools, and mobile apps. Pixieset, on the other hand, focuses on client galleries and online stores, but lacks some marketing features. However, it compensates with its user-friendly interface and seamless client delivery system. PickTime offers a free basic plan, while paid plans start at $20/month. Pixieset also has a free plan, but paid options begin at $8/month, making it a more affordable option. Both platforms offer unlimited storage in their paid plans, but PickTime provides more advanced features in its premium packages. Pixieset stands out for its intuitive, user-friendly interface. It's straightforward to navigate, making it easy for beginners. PickTime, while offering more features, has a steeper learning curve. However, once mastered, it provides a highly customizable and flexible platform for photographers. PickTime integrates with Lightroom, allowing you to synchronize your photo collections. It also integrates with Stripe and PayPal for payment processing. Pixieset, meanwhile, offers integration with Lightroom, but lacks direct integrations with payment processors, requiring a more manual setup process. Both PickTime and Pixieset offer high-speed performance and robust security measures. They use secure cloud storage and SSL encryption for data protection. However, PickTime offers a slightly higher performance level with faster upload speeds and more stable platform performance. PickTime offers 24/7 customer support, which is a plus for professionals who need immediate assistance. Pixieset provides customer support during business hours. In terms of scalability, both platforms can handle growing photography businesses, but PickTime offers more advanced features for larger operations. Based on our comparison, PickTime comes out slightly ahead. While Pixieset is more affordable and user-friendly, PickTime offers a more comprehensive set of features, higher performance, and better support. Its integrations also streamline the workflow, making it a more efficient platform for professional photographers. Thank you for watching our comparison of PickTime and Pixieset. We hope this has helped you decide which platform is best for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos like this one.